Now, the further relations that we need to discuss in polygons. The first one is how to find out the sum of interior angles in a polygon. So sum of interior angles in a polygon, whether it is a triangle, quadrilateral, or any other polygon, is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. So for example, if the polygon is a triangle, then n would be equal to 3. And if it is a quadrilateral, then it would be equal to 4, and so on. So for example, if it is a triangle, then it would be 3 minus 2 times 180, which is 1 times 180, so equal to 180. If it is a quadrilateral, then it is 4 minus 2 times 180, and it is equal to 360 degrees, and so on. For pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, we can use the same relation to find out the sum of interior angles in a polygon. Now, another important thing is that the number of sides in a polygon are equal to the number of angles in a polygon. So n not only represents the number of sides, but it also represents the number of angles in a polygon. Polygon could be of two types, a regular polygon and irregular polygon. So what is a regular polygon? When all sides are equal and all the angles are equal to each other. So when all the sides and all the angles are equal in a polygon, it is called a regular polygon. Otherwise, it is called an irregular polygon. The second thing that we need to know is how to find each interior angle in a regular polygon. For example, we have an n-sided polygon. So the sum of interior angle would be n minus 2 times 180. If we divide it by the number of sides or the number of angles, then we would get the value of each interior angle. The next thing is that the sum of exterior angle of a polygon is always equal to 360 degrees. And if we need to find out one exterior angle, we could divide it by number of sides. Each exterior angle in a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by the number of angles or the number of sides. So these are some of the important relations that we have regarding the polygons.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.